Hello, welcome to channel Maths Magic. Today we are going to discuss one of the important problem based on quadratic equation. Question is there on the screen. It says a new fence is constructed on a 3 sides of a housing block with area 240 meters square. So this housing block is basically rectangular. The fourth side facing the road is left open. If 52 meter of fencing is used, what are the dimension of the block? So we are having a house block which is fenced from 3 sides and one side is open. So we have to assume that the dimension of this block is, let's say this length is L and width is B. Now we have to use this information to construct the equation. So first information we have, area of this block is 240 meters square. So it's a rectangular block, so area is going to be length into width is equal to 240 meters square. Okay, now we have second piece of information which says if 52 meter of fencing is used, so we are fencing from 3 sides. This side is not included, so we are fencing these 3. So perimeter of these 3 sides is going to be L plus B plus L, and we have used 52 meter of fencing. So once we add all these 3 sides, it's a 52 meter. So we can write this as L plus L is 2L plus B is equal to 52. Now we can replace this B so that we can construct an equation with one variable that will be easy for us to solve. So how can we do that? We can use substitution method. We can find B from this first equation and we can substitute that in the second equation. So how can we find B? You just need to make B subject in the first equation. So you can write from first equation B is going to be 240 upon L. Now we will replace this value of B in the second equation. So I'll show you how you can replace this B in the second equation. So we got 2L plus 240 upon L. Okay, don't be confused with this underline. Yes, we got 2L plus 240 upon L, and this is equal to, we have 52. Now we have to simplify this equation so that we can solve it further. So you can apply the fraction properties. You just need to make the denominator same. So you can multiply this side with L in a numerator and denominator both. Now this is same, so it becomes L in the new denominator. L times 2L becomes 2L square, and then 240 plus 240 is equal to 52. So you can cross multiply this to get the complete answer. So it's 2L square plus 240 is equal to 52L. Now you can shift this 52L on the left hand side, so it becomes 2L square minus 52L plus 240 is equal to 0. You can see 2 is common to this entire equation, so we can take 2 common from this entire expression. It becomes L square minus 26L plus 120 is equal to 0, and you can remove this 2, or you can divide this entire equation by 2, so that you can have final equation of this entire question as L square minus 26L plus 120 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. How can we solve this? We can apply either quadratic formula, we can apply completing the square technique, we can apply quadratic factorization. So I'll go for the quadratic factorization over here. You know the rules. You have to multiply this constant term with the coefficient of L square. So coefficient of L square is 1 over here, so it remains 120 only. Now we have to find the factor of 120 in such a way that multiplication should be 120 only, but addition or subtraction should be negative 26. So we can approach with different factors. 2 and 60, it's not working. 340, not working. 524 is not working. 620, maybe it will work. So 620 is 120, but it's positive 26, but we can use negative 6 and negative 20, so that works. So we can write L square minus 6L minus 20L plus 120 is equal to 0. Now you can pair them up. L minus 6 minus 20 is common, then again L minus 6 is equal to 0. So L minus 6 is common again, then you are left with L minus 20 is equal to 0. Now you can apply the null factor law. So if you apply null factor law, you get L minus 6 is equal to 0 and L minus 20 is equal to 0. So we get two possible answer is equal to L is equal to 6 or L is equal to 20. So we have to find the corresponding width also. So let me clear this part so that I can find rest of the answer. So if you are having L as 6, then your B is going to be, you remember our B was 240 upon L, right? So if your L is 6, then B is going to be 240 upon 6, which is 40. So first dimension you got 640. So first dimension you got 6 times 40. Now second, if your L is 20, then B is going to be again 240 over L, and 240 and L is 20, so we got 12. So second dimension is 20 into 12. So this is the answer for this question. Hope it's clear. If you still have any doubts, let me know. I'll get back to you for sure. Thank you for watching.